my glam baes, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Simone, and if you're not, welcome back. So today we're doing a quick get ready with me, and first thing I was using was the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara in Espresso, and then I'm using the COVERGIRL Soft Tan concealer to conceal underneath my brows and the tail end of my brow, and then I'm just blending that out. And then I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. poreless putty primer, and then I'm going in with the NARS. I can't remember the name, but I will make sure to leave it in the description box. That way y'all have everything that I used. If I forget, just leave me a comment down below. That way I can put that in there. So I'm taking the same concealer that I used for my brows and just using this for my highlighted areas, and then I'm just going to start blending that out. But yeah, thank y'all for 230 subscribers. I appreciate it. Y'all keep it going, keep building that up. I'm trying to get my watch hours up, so if y'all can just hit that red button, that red subscribe button, that will help me a lot, because a lot of y'all are not subscribed, and y'all need to go ahead and just subscribe, because I know y'all watching my videos. I know it. So go ahead and subscribe. But anyways, yeah, I'm just taking the Maybelline Fit Me 332 in Golden Caramel and setting under the highlighted areas. And then, yeah, you guys can just watch this video. If y'all need any pointers or whatever, comment down below, and I will make sure to get right back with you, because I always respond. So yeah.
It's gonna be. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel hold my body. Only you feel hold my body. You don't need no other body. Hey baby, everybody to say no one loves you like that. No one wants you the same way. Life till the morning. My head wants to turn from your loving. I just wanna get you beside me. You don't need no other body. Say I made it mess up your mind, and I made it make you free up your mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be like. Say every day together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave, you go by. Yeah, if you leave, I'm stroking your body, baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Once we touch, I walk on that.
Okay guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure you subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Bye y'all.